Are you ready to revolutionize the way you create, edit, and share content? The OpenClaw Platinum Bundle isn't just another toolkit. It's a game changer designed to empower creators, developers, and innovators like never before. If you've ever felt limited by fragmented software, slow workflows, or a lack of creative freedom, this is your sign to pay attention. The OpenClaw Platinum Bundle is here to shatter those barriers and redefine what's possible. Imagine a world where your ideas flow seamlessly from concept to reality. The OpenClaw Platinum Bundle combines cutting-edge software, intuitive design tools, and powerful plugins into one cohesive package. Whether you're a video editor, graphic designer, 3D artist, or developer, this bundle is engineered to supercharge your productivity. No more juggling multiple subscriptions or struggling with compatibility issues. Everything you need is right here, optimized to work together flawlessly. But what exactly makes the OpenClaw Platinum Bundle stand out? Let's dive into the highlights. First, there's OpenClaw Edit Pro, a video editing suite that rivals industry giants like Adobe Premiere and Final Cut Pro. With AI-powered features like auto color grading, smart cuts, and real-time collaboration, editing has never been smoother or faster. Then there's OpenClaw Design Studio, a vector-based design tool that lets you create stunning graphics, logos, and illustrations with ease. And for the developers out there, OpenClaw CodeForge offers a robust IDE with built-in debugging, Git integration, and support for over 50 programming languages. The bundle doesn't stop there. OpenClaw has also included OpenClaw 3D Sculpt, a revolutionary 3D modeling and sculpting tool that brings your wildest imaginings to life. Plus, with OpenClaw Cloud Sync, your projects are automatically backed up and accessible across all your devices. Collaboration? Effortless. Version control? Seamless. And the best part? All of this is wrapped up in a sleek, user-friendly interface that's as powerful as it is intuitive. You might be thinking, this sounds amazing, but is it for me? The answer is a resounding yes. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out, the OpenClaw Platinum Bundle is designed to grow with you. Its modular structure means you can use as much or as little of the suite as you need without feeling overwhelmed. And with regular updates and a thriving community of users, you'll always have access to the latest features and support. So why should you care? Because the OpenClaw Platinum Bundle isn't just a collection of tools. It's an investment in your creative future. It's about breaking free from the constraints of traditional software and embracing a workflow that's as limitless as your imagination. If you're ready to take your projects to the next level, this is the bundle you've been waiting for. What do you think? Are you ready to unlock your full creative potential with the OpenClaw Platinum Bundle? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and share this video if you're as excited as we are. Stay tuned for our next deep dive, where we'll explore each component of the bundle in detail. Until then, keep creating.